Hello everyone. So I would like to just remind you on how to use each of the indicators. You don't need to use each and every indicator. All we need is confluence between two or three indicators. If we have confluence between two or three, that is good enough to enter a trade. Right? Two is can make 75-80%. If you have confluence between three different indicators, then you will make nearly 90% success. So I'll start one by one, right? We'll start with price pilot, right? RCA price pilot. I hope all the members have the access. If anyone is missing access to RCA price pilot, you can post in the chat window. So what this price pilot will do, basically this will similar to price pulse, but this is more dynamic. It will keep showing the buy order blocks, sell order blocks, right? It will show if there is a sell order block, then it will show as bears. Bears are in control. If it is a buy order block, yeah, then it will show in the green color with the bulls as in control. And also, if you see, let me hide all these ones so you can understand. So you will also see the sell signal with S and buy signal with B. Generally, if you see B means that means it will go up, then S means it will go down. And generally, this you have three different candle colors. One is the blue color, then you have orange, and then you have red color. So blue color means generally it is bullish. Orange means it is a transition candle between bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. And then if you see red color, that means it is bearish. That means the price became bearish and it will go down further. And also you will see a line in between, right? If this is blue in color, that means the price is that instrument is bullish. If you see red in color, that means it is bearish. So as long as it is red, you have to only take the shorts. Only when it becomes blue, then we can take the long positions. So I hope right this is clear for everyone. So B for buy, S for sell, orange for a transition, blue for bullish, red for bearish candles. So when you, for example, also you will see this RSI table. So when you see the RSI table completely red and you see a box here, you see a sell signal. That means that will give you a confidence that overall the momentum is bearish and you see a huge, right? During this time, even 200, 300 is also a big number in the evening time when volume is less. In morning times, we should see more than 1000 plus in the blocks. But if we have even 2, 300 also during this time, it is a good number. So there is, you got a sell signal. It went and to the top, touched the sell order block. Everything is red here and it started dropping all the way. In the same way, if you see for ZS, you can see that there are nearly 4,000, right? 3.9 sell order block, 13,000 sell order, right? You see bears. When touched that, immediately there was a huge drop, right? Everything is red here. Yeah, right? I hope it is clear for everyone. So whenever it touches a sell order block, you get a sell signal. That is a good opportunity. Or whenever it touches a buy order block, you get a buy signal. And if all these are in green color, that is a good opportunity. So if the pickers are right, generally we look for 1% down or 1% up. We will focus mainly on those tickers. Today NKD, ZS, ZM, these are more bearish. So we can mainly focus on these ones. Whenever they go to a sell order block, that is the best time to go short. For example, if it again goes to the top, you get a sell signal. So you mainly focus on the sell signal on these tickers. you mainly focus on the buy signal on these tickers which are bullish, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, crude oil, they are good for buy or buy signal. Whereas whichever are these ones, you will mainly focus on the sell order. So if you see here, everything is red, right? That means there is a lot of bearish momentum. Yeah, except 1 minute, everything is red. Lot of bearish momentum. Everything is red. Lot of bearish momentum. So here, during this time also, you can see there is a huge, right? Thousands of sell order blocks, right? For ZS or ZM, 13,000, 4,000, lot of sellers. So that's why there was a huge candle. Suddenly it went touched that, immediately dropped all the way. Now it touched the buy order block, trying to bounce back, but overall it is a bearish ticker. So better it may go little bit up and again start dropping. Right? So you can use this particular indicator on standalone, but for more success, for more confidence, we will use with a combination of other indicators. So now let me hide this one and then let me show you the TI2 or T5 indicator which I was demonstrating last week. So this one also same thing, right? Whenever a price is above this line, that means it is bullish. Whenever price is below this line, bearish. So if it is green, bullish. If this line is red, that means the price is bearish. So for example, it went to the top. That means it is overbought condition. If it goes to the top and starts turning to red, that means the price will start dropping. For example, it came all the way to the bottom. Now, let us say it starts going up, and if it turns to green, then it can start going up. So, for now, if I try to, right, if you hide this one, here you know that you have a blue color and red color. Whereas here, you have green and red color. So, for example, here this indicator gave the red color, this indicator also started giving red color. So you have red at the top, red here, red here, red here, red here. So everything is showing red. That means that is a ticker good for a short signal. Or if this turns to green, and right, whenever you want to check, you can just, so for example, this one turn from red, it turns to blue. This one turns to green. This one starts turn to green. Then this also become green. Then it can start going up. So if all of them are in green color, good for long. If all of them are in red color, good for short. So you can use the combination of these two, price pilot and this TI2, and you can make nice success, right? For example, same thing, ZM also. As of now, everything is red, came to the bottom. Slowly, it is trying to turn to green. This is also trying to turn to green. So as of now, only 1 minute is green. For example, if 1, 3, 5, everything turns to green, this turns to green, this line turns to green, and this line turns to green, then we can go long. Right? You will also get a buy B here. When all those things happen, we'll get a buy signal. We can go long. So now from red color, this is turning to orange. That means slowly from bearish, it is turning to bullish, trying to become bullish. So if we get a blue color candle now, right? Red, orange, and then blue. Blue means bullish. And that means it is slowly becoming bulls, right? Buyers are taking control from the sellers. So as of now, still orange. So until it is orange, don't take any long. If we get a blue color, this becomes a green, this becomes green, this becomes green, then that is a good time to go long. Or if they are most bearish tickers of the day, don't take any long, wait for this to turn to red again. Right? It may try to go little bit up and then again start dropping. So then you can take short one more time because overall there is a lot of bearish momentum in all time frames. If you look at 30 minutes, you can see that it may go all the way till here. right? By tomorrow we may see this ZM going till 298.8 or something. It may come all the way till here and then it may start bouncing up. So for swing trade, it is right, it can still go further down. So like that, you can watch what is happening in the swing trade in the 30 minutes, and then you can just stay in the same direction, even though it might go a little bit up. If you don't want to go against the trend, the overall trend is bearish. You let it go a little bit up and then wait for the sell signal. Whenever you get a sell signal, if you take a short on this ZM or ZS, you will make nice profits. Same thing NKD also. It came all the way down, right? There are nearly 264 bears, 26 bears. It came all the way down. Now it is trying to slowly bounce up. It may go a little bit up and again start dropping. So this is one combination, right? You can use price pilot and EI2. Any questions on this one? Right? Any questions on these two indicators before I go to the next one? Yeah, we know they already provided access. You have to log out and log in. Yeah, you can turn off the lines. You can go here. You can turn off the lines so you don't get the red signal. You don't want, you can turn off those. Yeah, you can always go to the settings, and here you have WMA line, which is this red and green line. You can just disable that. Then you won't see it. The same thing here. You can go RC filter. You can disable it. Then you won't see the. And you can create alerts on these indicators. You can go here. For example, you want to create, right, whenever it goes to the bottom or whenever it goes to the top. If you want to create indicators, you can say that potential reversal, right? Whenever it comes to the bottom or top, you will receive an alert saying like, oh, this NKD reached the top, NKD reached the bottom. Then at that point of time, you can go and see if it is at the bottom, is it close to a buy order block? If it is at the top, is it close to the sell order block? Like that, if it is close, then that is a good one to take a shot, or you can wait for the sell signal. So this is either bottom or either top. It will help you to get both the signals. You can just pay potential trend reversal. Then whenever price goes to the bottom, you will get a notification, or whenever price goes to the top, you will get a notification. In the same way, here price pilot, you can do buy, sell, or whenever you receive a buy or sell, you can. So as I said, this B stands for buy, sell stands for. So if you want either buy or either sell, you want to receive a notification, you can do RC buy sell. And then for example, now we may get a buy, right? It came all the way to the bottom, touched it, then it is trying to bounce back. Uh, yeah, these are price pilot and price pulse are nearly similar. Price pulse has more functionalities like fair value gap. You see the discount area, premium area. You see like a weekly high, daily low. All those lot of extra features. Whereas price pilot is mainly just shows the order blocks. It won't show all those features like price pulse. Price pilot is like a simple version of uh, price pulse, right? It is mainly if you don't want to use, right? For example, if you go to price pulse, right? You have it shows what is the overall trend. It shows the RSI table. It shows right the discount area. What is the equilibrium area where buyers and sellers are equal. This is where sellers are more. Sellers can dominate. It shows and also right you can put equal what is the day high, day low, previous day high, previous day low, previous week high, previous week low, previous month high, previous month low, and then you can also see right the high low equilibriums. You can see the fair value gaps, right, which is mainly very useful with options. So like that, it has a lot of other features, and you can change these time frames. If you want to do swing trading, you can change them to higher time frames. If you are doing day trading, you can stick with lower time frames. So like that, yeah, there is a lot of extra functionality in the price pulse. So this is mainly if you want to trade with stocks, options. This one is good. Price pulse is good, or even with futures when US market is there. This one is the best one. During non-US market, you can just go with price pilot. So yeah, basically price pilot is like a subversion or a semi price pulse with a limited functionality, which is mainly related to the buy and sell, and it will show mainly the order block, buy order block, sell order blocks with the different colors with the candle. So blue is bullish, red is bearish, orange is in between bullish and bearish. So now red is turning to slowly orange. Maybe next candle we may get a blue. Here you can go and you can in the style you can remove this WMA line. Then it will remove that green and red line. Right? Here you got a sell order block. It touches the sell order block. You got a sell signal. A good opportunity. Again, now it came all the way down. Touched the buy order block, trying to bounce up. One three is green. One is green. Five also may turn to green soon. Right? This is turning to green. This may turn to blue. Right? Because price is above the this line. This may turn to green. So right, any questions about these three indicators? One is price pilot, which is the simple version of price pulse, mainly for buy signal, sell signal, buy order block, sell order block with RSI. You can use it with combination of this one. If you see blue line here, green line here, and then green here, good for long. Right, in between you see the right. For example, here all this is blue line. That means price is above the line. Price is bullish. It went touch the sell order block, started dropping. So now again this line will turn to blue. You please put your trading view ID. Right, you should have 399 plan. I think Pramod, I think I gave you access. You should log out and log in. Now you got a buy signal, right? This B, you have to wait for the candle close. Once candle is closed, if you see a buy signal, then so it came all the way to the bottom. The red line is turning to green line. Same thing here also. You have sell order block. It came all the way down, touched the buy order block, and trying to go up. Red candles turning to orange candles. Now we may see a buy, right? 1 minute, 3 minute is so here. This is green. 1 3 is green. Came here. Now we may see a buy signal. Generally, ZS and ZM move in same direction. Here also you can see came all the way to the bottom. Now trying to go up, but there is no major buy order block here. So this one is a little risky. This one is looking better because you have some good buy order block. Yeah, everyone who are putting the messages, can you also fill those forms? So next time you don't need to. What a buy now. It is not looking still only 1 minute is green. 3, 5, everything is still red. Also, there is no major buy order block here. Divya Pratap Singh, I think I already provided you access. You already have it. You have to log out and log in. So if it is right, while it is coming down, it is creating these red fair value gaps. That means basically it is telling that there is a lot of bearish pressure. Even if price goes here, this will act as a resistance. Price tries to go up, this red rectangle, right? This is like a mini resistance. If you see all these red rectangles, they will act as, right? Price came down, tried to go up, again it came down, again tried to go up, came down. So these are fair value gaps. So if you see red small boxes, they are the red fair value gaps. They will act as resistance. In the same way, if you see something like, right, this is like a green fair value gap. Small boxes, they will act as support. So if price tries to come up, again it will push it up. Price try to come up, come down, it will push it up. So these red box, the green boxes are support fair value gaps. Right? They will help the price to move up. So if you see a lot of these green boxes, that means the price is bullish. So for example, you missed the buy. Whenever it comes and touch this point, you can again go long. Again it came here, you can go long. Again it touched it, you can go long. So they are like small support areas. The green boxes are small support areas. Red boxes are small resistance, mini resistance areas. So that you will get it from the price pulse. You have to go and you have to enable, if you enable fair value gap, then it will show those fair value gaps. So by default, they are enabled. So that will help you to know whether the stock is bullish or bearish. If you see a lot of red ones, that means that is more bearish. Try to go up, this acted as a resistance, again pushing the price down. Yeah, can you please put your trading view ID? If you are missing it, please add your trading view ID also. So here it is green, here it is red. So when there is no confluence, better you avoid those ones. Here you have only 1 minute green, everything is red. This is green, this is red, this is green. It came to the bottom. So it can move either side. It can go up or it can come down or it can act choppy going up and down. So better if you see a proper confluence, you can go long or you can go short. If there is no confluence, better you avoid those. For example, here you have blue line, that means bullish, and here you have green line. Here you have everything is green. So if you have a buy signal, then this one is good to go long. So always see there should be a confluence between multiple. So you have this is one confluence, this is one confluence, this is one confluence, and your buy order block, sell order block, that is one more confluence. So if all those are indicating the same thing, you see a lot of 648 orders, only 360. So it was able to break the sell order block and go up. Maybe crude oil can go, right? For example, so price pilot will, no, it is nearly at the top, right? So this is your bottom discount area. This is like your equilibrium area. So equilibrium also a lot of buyers are buying it. That means equilibrium means where generally both buyers and sellers are equal. Here buyers are more, but even at equilibrium also a lot of buyers are taking control. So price went all the way up. Now you have some sellers here, 1.9k. So now you can go to 30 minutes and see whether in 30 minutes is also if it is a top, then crude oil can go down tomorrow. By tomorrow morning it can come down. So let us go to 30 minutes and see. In 5 minutes it is at the top now. But this is showing lot of bullishness. This is also showing all green except 1 minute. So if you go to 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes you have a huge sell order block here. In 30 also it is at the top. You have nearly 12,000 sell order block. So there is a high possibility for crude oil to touch this previous week high, which is 75.7, and then start dropping. So if you see a big red candle, then we can enter short on crude oil, right? It may go a little bit up, then start dropping. Minimum it will come until 74.8, where there is nearly 13,000 buy order block. So it will touch this and then start dropping. So that will make $500-600. So we have to wait for that red candle to go and touch and then start dropping. So as of now, it may go a little bit high. Generally, this level will act as a strong resistance, previous week high. Price pulse is like mm, yeah, it is like the master version of the price pilot. Price pilot is a simple subversion of price pulse. So you can use price pulse along with TI2, or you can use price pilot along with TI2. And if you have the confidence, you can. So now most probably tomorrow we should see a, yeah, by tomorrow we should see a drop. As of now, we have nearly 1.9 thousand sell order block. So just we are waiting for that. It has to go a little bit up and then it will start dropping. Right, so any questions about, you can see, right? You got a buy signal here. It went all the way up, touched the sell order block, came a little bit down. Then again there was a buy order block. It started going up. Again there was a buy order block. So it may go all the way, touch somewhere, right? The price might be right. This is the entire zone. So in this zone, they might have kept the limit order somewhere here, here, here. We don't know exactly at what price the big players might have kept it. So it may go touch it and then start dropping. So whenever we get a sell signal, we can enter short on crude oil. So from here to here, it is nearly $3,000-4,000. From 72 to 75 is $3,000 for one contract. Right? Whenever you have a buy signal and you have a buy order block, that is very good opportunity. If it if you get a sell signal now, if somewhere, right, maybe next 5-10 minutes, or okay, we are in 30 minutes candle, next 30 minutes. If we get a sell signal here, right, if it touch the sell order block, you see a sell signal, that will be a good opportunity. So here you got a buy, right? It touched the buy order block, you got a buy. It made nearly $1,000. Again, it came sell, again dropped for nearly 1.5 hour. You got a buy, again it went all the way up. So any questions on price pilot, price pulse, and RC or TI2? In next few minutes we should get a sell. So we let us wait for that. And still it is lot of bullish momentum. So there is more liquidity at the top, right? So there are only few orders here, but there are more orders here. So price will always, wherever there is more liquidity, price will go there. So a lot of sell orders, limit orders are there. So price will tend to go where there is more liquidity. We go touch that and then again come back, touch this and again bounce back. Okay, so as of now, NQ is choppy, right? If it is only 0.1%, 0.2%, that means there is not much huge momentum. So these are the right crude oil, heating oil. They are best for the bullish until they go and hit the. So NQ may go here, touch this to 20,000. Maybe in the Europe market, they may touch this, and then there might be a big drop. Tomorrow morning, we may see a huge sell-off from that area. Right here, it had 6,000. You see 49,000 bulls. It came, touched this point, went all the way up, then touched the previous day high, then again came to the bottom, again touched the buy order block, again started moving up. So it may go all the way till here, where there are a lot of bears, lot of sell orders are sitting here. It will go touch this and then again drop all the way to the bottom because this is a huge sell order. So as of now, it is bullish, but yeah, there is it can be little choppy until Europe time. It may just move up and down, and in Europe time frame, it may go up. In the US market, first 10-15 minutes, it may be bullish, and then it may drop. So this is a huge right. Previous week high 20,020 is a strong resistance. Okay, in 5 minutes. Again, you see it is B, right? All the red candles. It touched the buy order block. Then you got a buy signal. Started right. This red turned to orange, orange turned to blue. So whenever you get a blue signal, and if all these are green, you can enter long. It is trying to go up. So here there is a small sell order block. It may break that resistance and go all the way to the top. There is more liquidity here. Right? This is the premium zone. So generally the big players will put their sell orders in the premium zone. So discount area is where they will do the buy orders. Right? It came, touched the discount area, and then started moving up. Equilibrium also they kept some buy orders. So it went up, came little bit down, again started going up. May break this because as of now there is a lot of bullish momentum. For example, if some of these are red in color, then it may go touch this and start dropping. But as of now, everything is bullish, so it may break this, go all the way, touch this sell order block around 19,900 and drop. So for swing trade, right? If you are a swing trader, then around 20,000 is the best time to short it. If you are a day trader, then mostly it may break this and around 19,000 it may go. Once it breaks it, it may go all the way till here, and then you can short it. You can short when it goes somewhere here. Or once you see, right, if it touches this and then you see the change in the color, candle colors. From blue it turns to orange, then you can take a short. So yeah, this one, right, touch the buy order block. We got right, the red candles turn to orange, orange turn to blue. And all this 135 became green. If you see this one, right, it came to the bottom, red turned to green, right? Like this is like oversold area. So it may again go. touch this and then drop. So when the ticker is bearish, don't wait for it to go all the way to the top, right? It may go only till the midpoint and then it may start drop. So I can you can put a sell order saying like okay 303.2 for this ZM, right? Because overall this particular ticker is bearish, right? You have a lot of sell order blocks, bears, came all the way down, touched the discount area, started moving up. It may go maximum, it may go till this previous day high, or it may touch this equilibrium and then start dropping. So it is creating the fair value gaps, right? The green boxes. That means it is bullish as of now, but there is a high chance it may go here and then again start dropping. So you can take small profits when the ticker is overall bearish. It may not go all the way to the top. If the ticker is bullish, for example, Bitcoin, Bitcoin is bullish, it may come touch it and then again it may go all the way to the top. Right? It came to the discount area. You got a buy signal, right? It touched the buy order block. Then the red candle turned to orange, orange turned to blue. Right? This line from red line turned to blue. This red line turned to green. Started going all the way up. It went all the way till the premium. Now it touched the bear. Now you got a sell signal. It may come somewhere here or may come till the equilibrium and then this will act as a support. When the ticker is bullish, this will act as support and it will go up. When the ticker is bearish, this will act as resistance. So if this is like point 0.3, point 0.2, then there will be a lot of buy and sell signals. That's why generally we will look at tickers where there is more bullish or bearish momentum. So that limit order got filled. So it made nearly $50. Right? It came to the bottom. From red it turned to blue. That means this turned bullish. From orange it turned to blue. This came to the bottom and red turned to green. These 135 became green. So because you got all the confidence, we entered a long play, and there was a big buy order block. Right, 942 is a good number. So that's where we entered, even though it was overall little bearish today, but because we got the confidence from this one, we entered the long position there. Same thing here. Red turned to blue. 135 became green. This one came to the bottom. So if you see here, potential, maybe I might have not kept an alert on them, but we would have received an alert saying like trend reversal. It came all the way to the bottom. Now it is trying to go up. Now if we look at gold, as of now it is little choppy. There is a sell order block, there is a buy order block. So for now it is choppy. So that's why we did not take it. So that's why it is always better you focus on top three bearish or top three bullish. That is where you will have more momentum. So this is right one way where you can just use price pilot and you can use this TI2 if you use the confluence, or you can just use price pulse whenever it is at a discount area and you start seeing some good buy order blocks, or you see some green candles, you see trend turning to green, then we can go long. Whenever it goes to the premium area, you see some red candles, you see these turning to red, then you can go to. So as of now this is still green, these are still green. That means it is still bullish. We are still waiting for the sell order block to touch. So but don't go long here because it is already close to a resistance. If you go long there, it is little, right, it may go little bit up and then start dropping. So always you can always go refer 30 minutes. When you want to take a trade in 5 minutes, refer 30 minutes, which will give you a better clue where it can start dropping. So as I said, around 75.6 or 75.7 is an area where it will drop in next 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We may see a big red candle. Once we see a big red candle, then we can enter a short on crude oil because it's a huge sell order block. If it is a small one with 500, 600, then it may break it and go all the way till here. But because there is a big sell order block, there is a high chance of price to reverse. So we are waiting for that. Whenever we see a notification, we can go and so so price pilot you can put alerts. Here you can put alerts for bottom or top. Whenever something comes to the bottom or whenever it goes to the top, then you will also go and see, okay, it went to the top. Here also we have a sell order block. Then there is a high possibility of a drop. Or if it comes to the bottom, right? For example, it came to the bottom. Here it came to the bottom. That means it can go all the way up. So this is a bottom. This is a bottom. You got a confluence. Did a double bottom and then nearly, right? Just with one contract, it made nearly $3,000. So now this is at the top. This is at the top. So around 77.6 or 77.7, we'll see a big drop. So even with a personal account, you can make nearly $500-600 if we take a short. Once we see, right, if these three turn to red and we see a red candle, then we can enter a short. It will come all the way to minimum till 74.7, 74.8. It may come this previous month low and then bounce back. So any questions, right? Again, right? We always have top trend, which you can always use, right? Because you can see that, right? Crude oil, as you know, right? If this is blue, this is green, always good for buy opportunity. So this is acting as a strong support. Whenever price is coming, touching this, going up. You can see how many times price touched it, went up. Price touched it, went up. Price touched the swing cloud, went up. Again, price touched the swing cloud, went up. Touched it, went up. So now, as of now, it is still green background. That means it may come little bit down, again go up. When you have red background and you get a sell signal, and this cloud also turn to red, that is the best time to go short. So you remember that RRR GGG strategy. So every indicator you can use by itself. Whichever you feel is easy to use, you can go with that strategy. And if you are comfortable using top trend, then you can continue to use top trend. If you are getting confused with the signal GGG RRR strategy, then you go with price pilot. If you get a sell signal, right, it should come all the way down. This blue should turn to orange, orange should turn to red. Then you have to take the sell signal until that time. As of now, it is still blue. That means it may come, touch this, and again go up. It's also got filled, right? I kept the limit order, so it went all the way to the top. And then this also, I made some 70 $80 with each contract. So we took profits on ZM and ZS, both of them. We are waiting for a short on crude oil now. It's creating the red fair value gap. That means more selling pressure started now. And if you have personal accounts, you can put stop loss somewhere around 75.8, and then it can go all the way to 74.8, because there is a huge sell order block. Even if it goes little bit above also, it will start dropping. If it goes and touch this area, that is the best time. 75.6, 75.7. But the candle size is becoming big, so I took it. So I can place my stop loss somewhere here. If price goes above this, I'll take the stop loss. Otherwise, I'll take my profit somewhere around 74.8. So now you don't need to keep looking at this. Either you take some loss somewhere above this. There is high chance, even if it goes little bit up also, here there is a sell order block, so it may start dropping. Or this is also turning to red. If crude oil starts dropping, heating oil also will drop. Both move in the same direction. You can see here also you have nearly 1.5 thousand sell order block. It may come all the way down till here and then bounce back. Here the 3-5 turn bearish, 1-3-5 turn bearish. This one also is turning to red. Because there is a wide spread, even if I buy it back here, I will make nice profits. But it can go all the way till here. I can put my target. I can put my stop loss somewhere here. If NKD goes somewhere here, then it is a good one to short there. It can go till equilibrium and then start dropping. This went exactly till the equilibrium, then start dropping again. We get one more red candle. Now we can enter short on this one. We can enter short on both ZM and ZS. So as of now, it went up and started dropping. If this turn to red, if this turn to red, then it can come all the way down. So here, if it touches the top, and here, if it touches the premium, that is the best one. Or here, if it touches the bottom, and here, if this touches the discount, That is a good one. Well, if ES goes to this area, that is the best time to short it. 56.70. There's a huge sell order block. You will make nice profits. When we got the sell signal, we got a red background, a red cloud, a red triangle. And that was a good opportunity. Now we got sell, but as of now, still everything is green. So better we wait for some more time. Here still it is blue in color. Here it is slowly turning to red. Even if it comes all the way till here, and then good to go long again. If we see a red candle, we can enter the short. As of now, blue turned to orange. It is choppy as of now. You can see 0.01%, 0.02%. That means there is no proper trend. We are holding crude oil and heating oil. They will go down in some time. It is below EMA 200. Your swing cloud is orange. Your day trading cloud is red. You got a red background. So we should get the red triangle, but yeah, overall it is looking very bearish. It is one of the bearish tickers today. This one is red in color. You have all the fair value, red fair value gaps. All of these are red. All these are red. Right, you got a sell signal. Should come all the way to the bottom. Same thing for this one. Green turn to red. And then you got a sell signal. Everything is red here. All the red fair value gaps. 5, 10, 15, everything is red. Below EMA 200, cell signal, orange and red color, red background. It should come all the way to the bottom. So that's it. You don't need all the confidence of everything, but if you have confidence, that is always better. More confidence, you can take with more confidence. And here it is above EMA 200. You got a cell, but your background is green, your cloud is blue. So there is no proper confluence. So it is little risky when you take when you don't have proper confluence between all the different indicators. You might just go a little bit down and your swing cloud may act as a support and again push this up. So you come with NKD, orange cloud, red cloud, cell signal, red background. You have red here, green turn to red. You got a cell signal. 3-5 bullish, everything is red. So maybe you can wait for some more time. It may come all the way back to discount or it may go all the way. Yeah, because 3-5 are still bullish, we can wait or we can avoid it. There's compared to others, here you have more confidence here. You have also red fair value gaps. So there is a high possibility for it to come all the way till here. Right now you have RRR, red background, red triangle, red cloud below EMA 200. So it is a strong bearish signal now. So it can make some nice profits. In KD also same thing. You got a red triangle, red clouds, red background, and come all the way down. Yeah, we took profits on NKD. Right? That is another $100. We already made $100 with others, and 100 plus now. Actually, it is more $150. These also, ZM also will make nice profits. ZS also will make profits. And then we have crude oil. They also should make profits in some time. Once it breaks this, it should come all the way down. Yeah, hi Sachin, do you have any questions?
Kishore,
Yes, Sachin.
so I was curious to know when you put when let's say you bought one contract, then you
Right,
putting your profit zone trade,
hmm,
one trade there in the profit zone, and also you put a stop loss.
right,
So basically you have a wrap around two transactions. One is up, one is down. Huh?
right.
Sometimes what happening is it is going up and it sold in a profit. Then I did not realize, like, there is a sale order also hanging there below.
Yeah, we should close them. Yeah, without.
And but I was jumping between two, three, screens. Then I forgot that, and then finally it got executed later, and then
Oh,
it went way down and lost a lot of money too. So
okay.
where do you monitor that one? Do you have to go trade of it, or is there any way we can monitor?
No, if you go to trade away, for example, here you can see all the pending orders. So if you go here,
Where did you go? How did you go?
you have to just click on the trade away
That
symbol.
is trade of it.
Yeah, and then just
Or
click on the,
if you click the trade of it symbol,
yeah, go to
wait,
orders. It will show all the
okay.
pending orders.
Let me see. Um, when I click terabyte, it is saying like you already have currently trading with multiple tab not allowed. Okay. Then I have to go to the tab where the terabyte account is showing. Okay. And then orders.
Yeah, go to
Click
orders.
go to the
Yeah,
orders
just you
and
can cancel all the
oh,
pending
that
orders.
working one. The working one is the one which is
Right,
already in.
your stop loss orders, your target orders, all those will be your working orders.
Now, which one is your stop loss here?
Mm, somehow it
Can you
is
show
slow
me
now.
one? Maybe you had that in GS.
Yeah.
Which one is stop loss here? How do you know that?
No, as of now, I'm still in the positions tab.
Okay,
My
okay,
trading view became slow.
I see. Uh-huh. And people are asking me, I could not ask you that. So are you playing with your PA account or you're playing directly in your normal account?
I am playing because I am enabling algos also. So I use demo and then I copy them into PA accounts.
Okay, okay. So you still not using your own account, you're using the PA account.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm using PA. Yeah.
okay,
But
okay.
yeah, here I connect it to a demo, I create a demo account and then I copy them into PA.
Mm-hmm. And most of the accounts that you're playing as a 50 or 250?
250.
250, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Earlier I
That
used
is,
to play 50, now I'm playing 250K account.
yeah, for me also it is I'm feeling more comfortable playing in 250, even though it's going to take time. Let it take
Right.
15 days time. Yeah.
Yeah, even though suddenly there are sudden moves also,
Yeah. Mm.
if we take a discount area, it will go back to premium or minimum will make profits, even though there might be some
Correct.
sudden up and down.
Correct. So my recommendation to all friends, those who have got frustrated and like said, "Oh, this is not working," I said, "No, try with 250. It might take a time, but ultimately you'll see the success later on."
Right, right.
Okay. No, I wanted to know where you see those like trades. I can go to orders and still see the working orders. Those are the hanging orders. That means. Hmm?
You're right, yeah. Let me
Okay, got
restart
it.
the trading view. I'll show it
Mm.
one more time.
Okay. Mm. So we are not able to see your screen. You have to share again.
Yeah. Yeah, both T5 and at TI2 both are
No,
same. So
your screen is not shared.
yeah. Somehow, yeah, trading view somehow it is very slow. So I restarted one more time.
Okay. I'm not using replicant at this point, uh, but many times if I keep a trade open in the night when I'm sleeping, putting one a profit zone, another is the stop loss. Um, and morning if it is restarted or laptop or I miss to see it, then that is risky.
Yeah.
So now these are the positions. If you go to the orders,
So it is.
let's create one order, stop loss order, and we'll see here.
So it is.
Looks like it is hanging somehow.
Mm, But yeah, basically, if you go to this orders tab, you will see the stop loss order, you will see target,
Uh-huh.
everything. This one is giving nice profits. GM, GS is also dropping. Heating oil also should drop. Crude oil, heating oil, they are little choppy for now, but they should also make profits in some time. Uh, you can restart the system if you want, but you can
Got it.
create with a yeah, you can create with a micro or something, and you can see that.
Mm-hmm. Let me create one. Let's see.
Meantime, let me restart my system.
No, I see that. I think I did not know. So I'm seeing that like it's saying working, and I
Right,
can see the limit price. I can see all this. So here I can click that cross button and then it will say, do you want to close?
you're right. That is
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Do you want to
Or you
cancel the
can share.
order?
You can share one more. You can share your screen. I'll show one more way you can do that.
Okay. I took a NQ hoping like seeing. Let me share my screen. So you see this trade.
You're right. Yeah.
So now I actually took a buy order at the 30. Actually, I saw the 15 minutes and then I took the buy order here.
Yeah.
Uh,
In the
okay.
in the non-US market hours, you have to go to the smaller time frames.
Uh, so since it was recovering, I thought I'll take a buy and then I'll put a stop loss. I missed to do the stop loss. It already started going down. This is a equilibrium area. I kept a stop loss here. Okay. So then I
Right.
closed. I was not able to see that. Now I can see here. There's
Right.
a limit
Right. That
price.
in the type you see stop. Right. Yeah. In the third column,
Third
type.
column one. Yeah, this is the stop one. Yeah.
Yeah, that is the stop order. Then you
Uh,
have the limit profit
this is
order.
the limit order. Okay. So this is the actual order which is continuing now, and this is the new order which is the stop order. This one.
Right.
Okay. Okay. So I see.
Yeah.
Um, so I since I saw like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, all are green, and this was all green. I just took
Yeah.
little
It
risk.
may bounce back from equilibrium.
Ha.
Yeah. It's
There is a
possible to
likely
bounce
chance.
back.
There is a likely chance to bounce back. Otherwise, I'm okay to take a 800-900 loss and exit.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Mm,
But always better you focus on the top three and bottom three. That is where profits are more easy.
mm.
And now that GS, GM are making nice profits.
These are the shorting one is good one now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Anything more than 1%, better to click with those or
Mm,
play with them mostly,
right.
or top two or bottom two.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Unless they are close to the top.
Mm.
Yeah. But yeah, generally they will move much compared to all others.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, then Santosh, do you have a question? Santosh, we can't hear you if you're talking.
I'm good. I think I raised my hand a while back. You answered them already. We're good.
Yeah. Okay.
Kishore, just one more question. Now these patches that we are seeing, right? So
Right.
sometimes the patches are so huge, you don't know, like, how what is the area to target. Now, when I say RC price plot, see,
Mm.
now it is clear enough. I know this is a resistance zone, this is a support zone. It's very easy to know. The moment I
Right.
enable the price pilot, now it's giving a big patch. What,
You,
how to read this two? What is the difference?
you can disable and you have to wait for the candle color to change, right? If it touches the candle that the box and for example you see a cell,
Uh,
once it touches it you see a cell, that is a good one. Or
so
it
when you
touches
say
the bot.
touches means the top line, basically this line.
It may, in that block it may touch anywhere, it may not exactly go till the top, and right, it may touch the
But this is such
midpoint
a
and start.
this is such a big range.
Right, yeah. Well, the orders may be anywhere in that range.
Hmm.
So price will touch that, and then you see a sell signal, then the price will drop.
Okay.
Or if it touches the bottom one and then you see a buy signal, then you can go long.
I found our other signal, like the price. This one, that price pulse.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
top trend. I'm saying top trend. Is it the top trend we are using? RC top trend we are using, right, previously.
yeah.
This one also. This one I used to use, but now after you introduce the other one, I'm not using this one anymore.
Right, yeah. We can use any of them. So just
Uh,
giving a different UI flavor. So
uh,
someone who feels price pulse or price pilot. So
this gives you more, like, confluence, because all these are green, background is green. Still, I'm not getting panic because very likely chance of it is going up.
right, right. But generally in the evening when volume is less, right.
Mm,
That's why I say that even 5 minutes is also sometimes it might be too much. You can
mm,
even go with 1, 2 minutes, three
I
minutes
see. Mm,
non US market. In US
mm,
hours, it is okay to go with 5 or 15,
mm.
but the non-US hours, better you go with the lower time frames
Lower
because
time
by
frame.
the time
Okay.
within that 15 minutes, there can be a lot of momentum.
Mm. Is
The exact time,
3 minutes also okay in the non-US hours?
yeah, 3 is also fine in
Mm,
non-US hours.
okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah,
Yeah. Bye.
sure.
Kishore bro, I have one question.
Yeah, Vinay.
So can you able to share your screen? With ES, you are showing one region, right? Can you go to the ES?
Yeah,
So now, can you enable that price pulse? Or
something happened to my. I think I have to restart my system. But yeah, what was your question? What's your question?
mm, okay, let me
Maybe
see that
once I
from my end.
restart, I think. So yeah, these are making nice profits. ZSZM. It is close to the bottom, so we can take profits. GS made nearly
Can I share my
175.
screen? I can show you.
Just a minute. Let us take profits on this and then maybe are you connected with the TradeAway account? If you don't have the data, you will not see the exact blocks like what I'm seeing. You should either
Oh,
connect to Apex or you should have a real-time data with TradingView. Otherwise, you will not see the same buy order blocks, sell order blocks like what I'm seeing. So
okay.
I took profits on ZS. I'm also taking profit on ZM.
Kishore, for GM, why didn't you take the market order? You are still waiting to make a limit because we are in a risk zone, right? If we can bounce up, then we miss it. See?
Uh, yeah, because still it is still bearish.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I closed ZS and ZM. So we made profits with NKD, ZS, ZM. ZS, ZM we made on both the sides. We took long earlier, now we took short. We are still holding our crude oil. Crude oil should make profits, but we have to wait. As I said, there is more, but yeah, our risk is less because there is a huge sell order block. Even if it goes little bit up also, it will make profits. So yeah, both heating oil, crude oil will make nice profits in some time. So we made profits with all these, right, on both the sides, on long side, on short side, with NKD, ZSCM.
Yeah, can you open in the new tab actually? There, new tab is there, right? Yeah, there you can open ES with your layout and
I have to restart my system somehow because, uh, but you can share in meantime.
okay, I
Ours.
can share my
Yeah,
screen.
you give me
Uh,
3 minutes. I'll restart my system and join.
no, no, I can share my screen, no problem. But I didn't get a share screen.
Yeah, join as a panelist.
Can I share my screen? Desktop too. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can. We can see now. Yeah.
Okay, so I have one you have price pulse, right? See, can you able
Mm.
to see now? Here, you told me that it is more of the
We are
selling order
seeing
is like,
Thinker swim screen,
okay.
not your trading view.
Can you able to see my screen now?
No, still I see Thinker swim. Yeah, now we can see it.
Okay, so now you are selling you are saying that we have a lot of selling orders waiting in 560 or 570, right? Yes, when I go to the longer
Hmm.
time frame, still my problem with the chart is not at fixed. Last time also we discussed, right? It is not at fixed. I don't know what is the problem, but here we have specific to my question. Can you able to see now? Here it shows about
You
red is
can
less, more green.
you can you can minimize those all those names. You don't need to see all those RC scan, right? You go to the left. Yeah, come down little bit down. That arrow mark is up arrow is there, right? Yeah, on that bullish. Yeah. So yeah.
Oh, okay. If you click it, it goes up. Okay. So my question is like, see, can you able to see now more number of orders are waiting at 5670 region. Okay. So my question is like, this is the order would have been placed when it is previously high or something at that time, or now they place this order.
They might have placed when ES went to 5670 and dropped sometime last week.
Okay, okay, okay. Based on that. Okay. Now, then in this case of year, you can see that more buyers are there rather than seller, right? So,
No,
is-
no, you have to see the number there. If you see the
okay,
number, you it is red in color and it is in the red font. That means there are more sell orders there.
okay, okay. Mm, that is what it means basically.
Right, yeah. Even though
Okay,
there might be less number of sellers, but the number of contracts they are taking are more. So overall, it is more
okay.
sell orders.
So now this, what is this going to helpful for this? This is RSI, right?
Right. That
When
shows what is the momentum. Right. Overall, there is bearish momentum.
Bearish momentum. Okay. Okay. And what this will show exactly, actually, is it works with any technical terminology inside this actually?
Yeah, basically it is like trend, right? Overall trend,
It
just
works with
like
exponential moving average or something
yeah,
else actually?
MACD, EMA. It will check all those things and it will say what is the overall trend for ES.
Okay. 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 And okay, now let's assume that I have one question. Now it goes on top. Okay. And once it comes back, right? See, let's assume this is the case now. Okay. We assume that first time here the buyer happening, and maybe they would have sold it here or somewhere, they keep on selling it. My question is like, once it comes to this region, like a 5634, it might rebound or it can come down also, correct?
Yeah, if there are more number of sellers, so then it will break the support. For
More
example,
number.
right? Yeah, let
Yeah.
us say when it is dropping more, there might be one more big company who want to do more sell off. For example, they want to sell another 5,000 contracts. You have only 4,700 buy orders. But if somebody is selling 5,000 contracts now, suddenly at 56.35, they will try to sell another 5,000, or there are a lot of retail sellers who want to sell off 10 contracts each. Then it will break the support and it can drop. So for
Okay.
example, when it comes to that point, you see everything in red. Let us say your 1 minute, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, everything is red and your trend is completely red. That means there is more bearish momentum that might break the support also.
Okay. So this works with an exponential moving average or any other terminology inside for this one, like a 3 minutes,
It's
five
multiple
minutes.
factors. Yeah. It looks the EMA, MACD, and other factors and higher time frames, and it will determine what is the overall trend.
Okay. So now in case if you short it here, is it possibility it can come here and it can bounce or it can come down also, either way, in based on the order flow?
Right. Yeah. As of now, there is a high possibility for it to bounce back. As of now,
Okay.
because generally the volume will be less. There won't be a lot of big players who will be playing now. So if it comes to that equilibrium, there is a high possibility for ES to move up.
Okay. But still I'm facing this issue, Kishore. Like last time also we discussed, I don't know, it's specifically it's with crude or many time when I'm after adding your indicator, nothing. Like I can't do anything now. I don't know what is the problem with this. I started using that app also. See, can you see
So
now crude? I can't see anything. Nothing I can see. Any time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes.
now, what do you mean by you can't see anything?
No, it is not because of the scale, right? Can you see the scale? It is
Mm,
varying.
yeah. Uh, I don't know why you are not seeing that auto adjust. You should
Here
have
I
the, yeah.
tried anything. I
Yeah,
tried
click on that.
anything.
You should see that A and L, right? Go back one more time to that.
Here,
No, little bit up. Yeah, then you have A and L. Yeah. So click on A. Is it auto?
auto is enabled now.
Yeah, generally, when auto is enabled, it should automatically adjust your screen based on the price. Or can you drag? Uh,
I tried to Google it, but still I tried many things, but even though none of the things are working out. It was
mhm.
working. After adding this price pulse indicator, it is impacting now.
You can you hide the price pulse and try to. You are using laptop only, right? Windows laptop.
Yeah, I'm using laptop. No, Windows. I'm using Mac.
Okay. Because I'm not seeing any issues on my Windows.
No, it's not about with laptop, I think. So when I see the same thing, last time I was using in browser. In the browser, I had the same issue. So I moved to the app. You told me to suggest it to open an app, right? I created
Hmm.
I installed it and then it is working. But only with this choppy areas, this is becoming very compressed. So see XPX or ES.
Yeah, then maybe you can continue to use only
Can you see
use
now? So I can't,
five minutes.
I
Yeah,
can't use
use five
anything.
minutes.
I can't see the candlestick color at all now. Even with 5 minutes, auto scale it is not happening. Like even though if I zoom out, sometimes it's working, but higher time frame. See, let's say I go with YM, right? This is an higher value. So these all the things are I can't see that.
Can you scroll at the bottom? You see that 1921, right? Dates. Uh, yeah, come down, scroll down. Yeah, come to that 1921 dates where you have the dates.
Here, right?
Yeah, little bit above. You see those dates, right? 21, 26.
Yes.
Yeah, scroll there. Yeah, scroll now. Scroll the price. Yes.
Not allowing me. I don't know why.
Mm. Maybe just raise a ticket to trading view support.
They do have customer service or something like that, or
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They have customer service.
so this happens issue with only with the larger one, and if I move to crude, right, the scale is very less now. So it's not happening auto. So
Right,
when
right.
I
Yeah, automatically it should adjust.
not
Something like
adjusting,
this. Right, but it's not happening in all the this indicate issue. Everybody should see the same problem.
I don't know, this is the problem I'm facing for a very long time.
Mhm.
So now I have a question related to the stocks, right? See, can you able to see with the Tesla one example? Right now, this is in larger time frame. When I come to smaller time frame, maybe 5 minutes,
Right.
like
That is
equal.
227 is
Resist.
a strong resistance. Yeah, 226,
Yeah.
227. So if price comes there, there is a high possibility for a drop.
Okay. Again, it can drop.
Right.
And here it is like a bull. So basically, when it reaches 219, again it will takes up and it can bounce, or it comes to
Right.
215
So
also.
there are more buyers who are adding more orders.
Okay. So now
So,
I have a
so
quick question on that one with like I want to do a covered call for my stock. So in case of that, right? Let's say that Google. See now, even Google also, I can't see that any of the value. How can I do that when it is low, we have to buy a call, and when it's high, we have to do a covered call, right? So which instance I can do that time frame, I can utilize it for that.
again, if you're looking for same week expiry or you're looking for 2 weeks,
2 weeks or
so
anything like that. Yeah.
for example, if you want to do for the same week expiry, you can watch for 5 minutes when it goes to the top to the
Okay.
premium zone.
Okay.
Then you do the covered calls.
Oh, okay. When it goes to cover. Okay.
Yeah, for example, if we let us say it goes to 170, right, or 168 or something.
Okay. Now I have very one more question related to the same crude you are showing me, right? I like I have a question. See now it is dropping, but what I inferred or what I saw initially, even in your screen also, 75 70 or 60, there is a lot of sell orders, right? Over
Right.
there, I saw the more number of greens are available rather than white, rather than red. So maybe at that point, the more buyers will come and step in and boost up and takes the price more higher. If you
Mm,
have your screen, you can see that one.
Again,
70,
you need to see the number. What is the number
only
there?
this number. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. If the number is red, that means more sell orders are there.
Okay.
If it is green, that means there are more buy orders.
So what about this, the top trend, right? This top trend uses also an ultimate MACD or anything else actually here. So you told here is one buy and this is one triangle. What this
The
triangle
triangle
means?
is from ultimate day. Yeah.
Ultimate. Okay. I don't have access to ultimate MACD, I think.
You don't need that. If the triangle is, that means there is a buy signal from the ultimate day. If you have
Oh,
a
this
green
is one
triangle,
indicator. Okay. Okay.
yeah, it is, yeah,
And this is a trend line, right?
right.
Okay. So what I thought in the mind is like using this trend line, I can do a covered call or something, but my chart is not allowing me to open. I don't know what is the problem.
Yeah, maybe, yeah, try that customer support with TradingView, because yeah, it is working fine in my system. And yeah, most other users also, nobody complained that they have this issue.
Only after this price pulse. Till the time it was okay.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
disable price pulse and use only price pilot if you are only facing issue with price pulse, because both are nearly same.
See,
Yeah.
however I do that, it is to go into this. It's very difficult.
I feel it is. Do you have any Windows laptop or something?
I have.
Maybe try downloading on a Windows and see if you're seeing that issue. Because
Okay.
yeah, on my Windows laptop I can see things fine.
Okay. Let me check on that Windows actually.
Yeah, sure, Vinod.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. That's it
Or
from my end.
you can add a new chart and add indicators. You close everything and then you add a new chart and one by one add indicators, whatever you need.
Yeah, yeah,
That
and yeah, I done that one also, adding a new layout or something, but still it is not helpful for me.
Right. For example, if you have NKD and
Mm,
suddenly you change it to crude oil,
mm,
because the price range is so much different, sometimes that can. So if the prices are in thousands, have one chart for that. If price is 70, 80 like that, you have one tab for price where price is below $100. You open
okay,
any tickers which are around that price frame.
okay, okay,
That also might help.
okay. So this is that's with using this chart, I can't do anything from the day I took it. Even a normal one also not working. Okay, thank you, Kishore. I'll check with the
Mhm.
team.
Yeah. Let me just restart my system
And
once. So
Kishore, I have one more question. We have a software known as Replica, right?
replicant, yeah, it is not our
Yeah.
software, but yeah, it is a third party.
Yeah, I have a question like if I want to use that and with interactive brokerage, we can make a call, right? I don't want to go with the Apex or Ultima or whatever for futures, but I'm talking about my own account. So the thing is like if I put a trade on mine and along with my wife account, both can be synced up like that using that software.
That means you are using in TradingView and your spouse has IBKR account. Is that your question
Yeah,
or?
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I'm going to migrate to currently I have TradingView, but I'm going to migrate to interactive in future. So what I'm
Mhm.
trying to say, two accounts I can't keep it always open. So what I'm asking is like, if I do one action in one account, it has to get copied to the other account. Is it possible?
Mm, from one
using the
IBKR
replica?
to from one IBKR to another. You have to create. Yeah, I never tried that, but I think it might be possible. You have to create two different connections in
Okay,
NinjaTrader.
okay,
NinjaTrader, you have to create two different connections for two different IBKR accounts, and then
okay.
when you take a
No,
trade in Trading View or NinjaTrader, then the trade will happen in both the accounts.
so you're asking to connect with uh, here in the connection itself, two connection, but trading view will not allow two connection, right? It will allow only one connection. Is my
Right,
understanding?
Trading View will not allow. Yeah,
Okay, that's what
that's
I.
what. That's what from Trading View you will connect to one IBKR,
Okay,
and then you will use that as a parent account in the
okay,
replicant, and then you will connect to another IBKR from NinjaTrader.
okay. So from Ninja Trader, we can how you will get a
Create
signal from that uh, parent account and to the child account. How that will get copied?
through replicant software.
But I'm doing the order in trading view. Will that able to pick that order?
Yeah. So basically, right, you are so whatever that IBKR account you are connecting to TradingView, that will be your parent account in the replicant.
But the replica will resides in trading view or
No, replicant will reside only in NinjaTrader.
okay.
That is
So
add on to the NinjaTrader.
okay, so basically you have to create a in Ninja Trader, two connections should be established, one with parent and one with child. And then both should be linked with a um,
Mm,
replica, you mean
replicant,
to say.
right.
What is the cost of that one, Kishore?
That is, you have to pay approximately $160 for lifetime license.
Okay. Any trial version or something to test this, or you can test it and let me know of this one?
You can, they have 1 week trial. You can do that.
Okay. Okay.
You
I
can,
can request that. Okay. Do you have any link for that one to get it?
you just search on Flowbot in Google.
Flowbot.
Yeah, FLOWBOTS.
Okay.
Flowbots, and then yeah, you can sign up for a trial version. They will give 1 week free trial.
Okay.
Yeah, in that 1 week, you can test it out.
So which one I need to buy? I'm not sure here. So can I take a 1 minute of you? Not more than that.
Yeah,
Sorry. I'll share my screen. Sorry guys if I'm taking a long time.
yeah. One of the members shared the link also. You can click on that. Yeah, go to products. Yeah, you have replicant, the first one. Select options. Yeah, go to the bottom. Yeah, there you have trial, right? Yeah, say add to cart.
Okay, this is the one we have to do that. Okay.
Yeah,
But have you tried what I asked about it? You got my exact recommend, right?
yeah. I never tried with two different IBK. I tried with one IBKR. I was able to use it,
Okay.
but
But
I never
if it is
tried with.
one IDK, why you need a replica? Directly we can connect this with
No,
yeah.
because you can connect to multiple platforms. If I am using Apex, I am using Elite Trader Fund, I am using multiple accounts.
Okay.
So if I take a trade here in TradingView, that will get copied to multiple providers,
Oh, okay. Then
and also IBKR. If you have your personal account, you can also take the trades in personal account.
same like that only. Okay, okay. Okay, same like that. We can't do it with here itself. Then we can't create a new two connection here with using replica.
No, Replicant is a third party for NinjaTrader. You cannot. You cannot connect replicant to trading view directly.
Oh, okay. So here you have to take it up and then you have to go to Ninja Trader, and after installing in the Ninja Trader only we can do that one. Then it means
Right.
basically you wanted to go to Windows laptop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, thank you. And do you have any demo for that Ninja Trader autonomous bot or something, right? That do you have anything in?
Mhm.
You have
Yeah.
videos or
If you go to the channel, you'll have videos for Prism, Spectrum. If you search
okay,
on, yeah, you have demos and yeah, live sessions for all those things.
okay, yeah, I'll take a look on that. Yeah, thank you.
Mm.
That's it from my
Yeah.
end.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'll just log out and log back in. Somehow my system got hanged. So I'll connect in 2 minutes.